Today we're gonna talk about how to tack. Tacking is changing your sail's position while crossing the wind direction. So now we're moving the helm to the wind, which is starboard. And at this moment where we are windward completely, it's time to release jib on a port and pull jib on a starboard. In this case, we use Genoa, which is a little bit bigger size of a jib, so we can also call it a headsail. As you can see, we didn't lose much speed. The boat is moving smoothly. And that is the point of tacking. Most important part is the plan and the good timing. So always do your plan with the crew. Make sure they understand the commands and keep practicing. Today we're gonna do a few more tacks with our students with some good and bad things that can happen during tacking. Let's continue. So here, speed is good. We are doing close haul, which is closest to the wind, and time to turn the helm up the wind. You can see irons, so time to release a jib sheet and pull jib sheet on the other side, which is port side. Helm straight. And we can see that Genoa on the port side is a little bit loose. So it means we were too slow on pulling the jib sheet in a moment. And remember, it's not about the power of pulling, it's not about the speed of pulling, it's about good timing. Moments, we know that we're gonna struggle a little bit on the Genoa on the port side, so we have to use excess of a power. We also lose some speed, and you can see by a trace of the boat that we don't have a speed as we used to have. So those are small things that we have to work on in practice. Let's do another one. So, helm to the wind. Timing is good. Release. Helm straight. Which, in this case, we are a little bit too late. And you can see the angle behind us based on trace. You can also see that we slowed down, actually stopped completely in a moment, which shouldn't happen. Now we'll need more time to get to original course and to get speed again. This time from different point of view. You can also see the crew a little bit better. Helm to the wind. At this moment, release port side, pull starboard side. This time it was much better, good timing. And you can see that the headsail is a little bit under-trimmed. It means a little bit too loose, but not so bad, so it's still easy to recover from that. You can see that the boat is moving quick enough. And we are ready for the next one. Let's do it again. Helm to the wind. Release the port side. Pull the starboard side. Genoa is now on the place. Helm straight. And this was good. Much better. Have in mind that we are mostly talking about basics here, and this is not performance boat or not performance sailing, so just small finesse that we have to keep your mind on. Before doing any tacking on your own, definitely need to understand the sail trim first and basic maneuvering with the boat. So here we are doing tacking with our students and instructor on board. And in completely fine and safe environments. So definitely first, work on a smooth and easy winds until you go further with heavier winds.